Hi there, my name's Evan and I'm going to talk to you today about whole leaf tobacco. Now, in the past 100 or so years, people have moved away from using whole leaf tobacco to roll their own cigarettes because they could buy them already made and assumed that whoever was making them was using high quality tobacco. Now, since the rise of roll your own in around 2000, people have started to question the quality of manufactured cigarettes tobacco more and more. Slowly but surely, people started to look at whole leaves again as the way to make quality cigarettes on their own. Now, this influx of people wanting to roll their own with whole leaf tobacco has ended up with a lot of sites that present you with perfect looking leaves. Let me tell you why this means that you're smoking worse tobacco. A typical cigarette blend of tobacco is made up of 3 different types of leaves. You have Virginia, Burley, and Turkish. Now, each of these leaves adds something different to the flavor. Now, the Burley makes up the majority of the smoke, the Virginia adds top flavors, and the Turkish adds a lot of the aromatics of a cigarette. When you're selecting tobacco, you'll be able to recognize these leaves by the color. Burley has a darker brown, Virginia is a lighter golden kind of brown, and Turkish leaves are very small, pretty much smaller than the size of your hand. If you smoked a cigarette comprising of just one type of these leaves, 9 times out of 10 you won't enjoy it. The key to a really great cigarette is the blend between all 3 types of these leaves. We knew that we had to keep it simple. We had our master blender create 2 different blends. Our bold and silver blends are comprised of the same 3 types of leaves, but mixed in different amounts to give different tastes. Each has different flavor characteristics, but what's unique about these to other types of tobacco that you'll find is that it's pre-blended and it's made up of tobacco that's actually going to give you the best taste versus what's going to look the best. Some of our tobacco has what's called frog eyes. These leaves have been left on the stalk longer than the other ones. Now, they're not as visually appealing, but their taste is a lot better. Use of these specialty tobaccos gives you a smoother, sweeter taste than you're going to be able to get anywhere else. Now, our leaves may not be the prettiest, but they will taste the best. Check out our website at thetobaccostore.com to order or to send me a message with any question you might have. The link's going to be down in the description below.